Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore employer match optimization with Vanguard easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Vanguard account. Navigate to the My Accounts section on the main dashboard. Select Employer Plans from the drop-down menu. Locate your current employer-sponsored retirement plan. Click on the plan to access details about your contributions. Review your current contribution percentage to ensure it aligns with your employer's matching policy. If your contribution is below the match threshold, decide on an increase percentage. Return to the My Accounts section. Select Contributions to access your contribution settings. Enter your new contribution percentage in the designated field. Confirm that your new contribution meets or exceeds the employer match. Review the changes you have made for accuracy. Once verified, click on the Save button to update your contribution settings. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your contribution has been successfully updated. Log out of your account when you have completed your changes. Ensure to check periodically that your contributions remain optimized for the employer match. Consider setting calendar reminders to review your plan annually or after significant life changes. This will help you stay on track for maximizing your retirement savings through employer matching. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.